number of predefined functions are there. String is having number of predefined functions. And what are those functions? Let us discuss about functions or methods. Functions or methods of string. What are the functions or the methods of which one? String. What functions or methods supported by which one? String. What functions or methods supported by the string? So within this, just to see all the functions one by one. So this is the str class. Now you can see str methods. What is the first method? You have capitalize. Okay, we'll try to see important methods. There is a method called which one? Capitalize. There is a method called capitalize. str dot capitalize. So return a copy of the string with its first character capitalized and the rest of the characters in which case? Lowercase. So first character is capitalized. Okay. First character is capitalized. For example, I write everything in capital. If I'm writing str1 dot capitalize, if I'm writing str1 dot capitalize, first letter is capitalized, remaining all are in what? Small. If I'm writing str2 equal to Python, which are in lowercase, then if I'm saying str2 dot capitalize, str2 dot capitalize, so first letter is capitalized and remaining all are in which case? Lowercase. First letter is capitalized, remaining all are in lowercase. Again, first letter is capitalized and remaining all are in which case? Lowercase. So capitalize, what capitalize will do? First letter is capitalized. Return a copy of the string with its first character capitalized and rest of the characters in what? Small letters. But where it is used? It is used in generating reports. It is used in generating reports. Reports means, for example, I have a list. Names list is there. Our course list is there like this. Java, Python. Okay. So assume that some C and C++. Okay, like this. I have some courses, right? So I want to display all these course names in capitalized. Okay, formatting, right? So I'm trying to say name dot. What I'm saying here, capitalize. Name dot capitalize. Capitalize. A is missing. So print name dot. Now if you see this, now in Java J is capitalized. In Python P is capitalized. Anyway, C is one letter, and in C++, what is it capitalized? C. So while generating report, because assume that in list, the data, some data might be in uppercase. Assume that in list, some data might be in uppercase and some data might be in which case? Lowercase. But while generating a report, I want to generate the report in a specific format. Okay, I want to generate the report in a specific format. Okay, while generating report, I want to generate the report in a specific format. While generating a report, I want to generate the report in a specific format. So how you are trying to do that? By saying this, right? So for name in list 1, and I just write name dot capitalize. So every string first letter is what now? Capitalized. And remaining all letters are in which case? Lowercase. Remaining all are in which case? Lowercase. I said no, I'll try to take some important methods. Now there is a method called which one? Center. There is a method called which one? Center is a method. Okay, description is, I'm taking a description for the document rather than giving my definition. You are using a definition of which one? Python. Str dot, what is the name of this method? Center. It is centered. This string is centered in the given width. This string is centered within the given width. Okay, if you want to center alignment, this is called as which one? Alignment. But always alignment is done within the given width. Always the alignment is done within the given width. You are saying str dot center in the given width. You are saying str dot center in a given width, followed by which one here? Fill caret. If it is in the center, you may find some spaces at left side or what? Right side. You may find some spaces at left side and what? Right side. Yes or no? So if you don't want the spaces, if you don't want that spaces, you can fill those spaces by giving or by using some fill character. For example, if you take this MS Word only, I'll write Python. I want this Python in the middle. Middle means this page is having some width or not? Yes. If I say middle, now there is some spaces at left side and there is some spaces at what? Right side. By default, within the width it is centered. But remaining all are what here? Spaces. In the place of spaces, if you want to fill with some other character, you can fill it. By using which character here? Fill character. You can fill it by using which character? Fill character. So this is used for doing alignments. While generating report, you want each column should be equivalent width. Tabular report you'll have, and each column should be equivalent width. And within the width, you want the content should be in what? Center align. Within the width, you want the content in what? Center align. And that you can do it by using a method called which one? That you can do it by using a method called center, right? Okay, anyway, I say no, now we have a national anthem, right? Okay, so you just go down. Okay, okay, yes. We'll stop it here today and tomorrow we'll continue that. Okay, right.